Every few years, a product comes along that changes the game entirely. For drone pilots, that moment might be arriving sooner than expected. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, according to multiple leaks and insider whispers, is shaping up to be the most significant leap in DJI's ultralight drone series since its inception. From its humble beginnings with the DJI Mavic Mini in 2019 to the impressive Mini 4 Pro of 2023, DJI has been on a relentless mission. Pack pro-level performance into a drone weighing under 250 grams, a weight limit that allows flyers to skip many restrictive regulations in most countries. Now, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take that mission to new, dizzying heights, with a sensor upgrade, groundbreaking AI flight features, extended range, and cinematic tools previously reserved for DJI's high-end Mavic and Inspire lines. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore every leaked detail, every feature we expect, the potential release date, and why this drone might just redefine aerial filmmaking for everyone. To understand why the Mini 5 Pro is such a big deal, you have to appreciate the legacy it carries. DJI Mavic Mini, 2019. The original rule-bender. Under 250G, 2.7K camera, and a 3-axis gimbal. Perfect for beginners. DJI Mini 2, 2020. Introduced 4K recording, better wind resistance, and OcuSync 2.0 for improved range. DJI Mini 3 Pro, 2022. Flipped the game with vertical shooting for social media, obstacle sensors, and 4K 60 frames per second. DJI Mini 4 Pro, 2023. Brought 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 4K 100 frames per second slow motion, and waypoint missions. Each generation made drones more accessible, powerful, and smart. The leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will continue this trend, but take it to a professional grade level in a sub-250G body. The most exciting leak. A 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, the same size used in premium drones like the Air 2S. Here's why that's a game changer for a mini-series drone. Better low-light performance. Larger pixels capture more light, meaning clean footage at dusk or dawn without the noisy mess. Higher dynamic range. Expect 14+ stops, giving you smooth transitions from bright skies to shaded landscapes. Insanely fast readout. Stacked sensors can process data faster, reducing rolling shutter and allowing higher frame rates. Cinematic depth. Larger sensors produce a more natural background separation, giving aerial shots that big cinema feel. If this leak holds true, the Mini 5 Pro could rival drones twice its size and price in terms of pure image quality. DJI has always been the king of aerial stabilization, but the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push it further with mechanical 3-axis gimbal plus advanced electronic stabilization working together. The hybrid system could eliminate tiny micro-vibrations from wind gusts. Keep the horizon locked even in aggressive banking maneuvers. Allow ultra-smooth 4K 120 frames per second slow motion without sacrificing sharpness. Combined with the rumored AI-assisted flight correction, your footage could look like it came from a drone twice as heavy and stable. We're hearing whispers about Active Track 6.0 Pro, which may introduce predictive tracking. This means the drone won't just